Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. When I bought my Softail Street Bob, first thing and the main thing that bothered me a lot right from the beginning were these chrome hand levers, the clutch and the brake. This is a Street Bob, it's supposed to be blacked out. You obviously pay a premium for it, but I obviously get what Harley's trying to do. They try to sell you accessories. You know, you would figure for a few extra bucks they'd throw in the hand levers in black to match the entire bike, but obviously they didn't. So shortcuts and money savings, I get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that today by installing the hand levers in black. Alright guys, so here's the kit. Let's quickly open it. Alright, so we got our clutch, we have our brake, and two new pins. And you also do get new retaining clips. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Alright guys, so first thing what we're going to do is let's remove the mirror and the light. It'll give us a better access to this retaining ring. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to use this tool. It's a made by Channel Lock, but there are many different kinds to remove the Alright, next we're just going to push up on the pin and it's out. So as you can see, the brake lever moves freely. However, we're going to remove this top plate and move it a little bit out of the way to get the brake lever out. Alright, so the brake lever's out. Let's grab a new one, get some of this grease off of here and put it on the new. Alright, so quick note, the new brake lever does come with bushing, so you don't have to remove the old one to put it in. Alright, so let's just get some of this grease off. Alright, so quick note, if you look over here at the top, there's a little notch. So when you're putting everything back, make sure you get this notch aligned with this. And also, if you look on the inside, let me get it better. See this little button? You have to make sure that the lever, when it's depressed, it's pressing on this button. So just double check your work, make sure everything aligns properly. Grab a new retaining ring, use your tool to expand it and carefully Alright, so as you can see, the retaining pin is in. Double check all your work, make sure the button is fully depressed when the brake handle is out and it releases. check your throttle, make sure nothing's getting stuck. Let's put the mirror back on and the light. Alright, the brake lever is done. Let's do the clutch side. Alright, so a couple quick notes on the clutch side. Very similar situation. We'll have to remove the mirror and the light to get access to retaining pin. I should say retaining ring to remove the pin out. Now, there are a couple of ways of doing this. You can muscle the clutch cable out through this channel and remove the lever, but the easy way of doing this is actually getting to this part over here. Now it's held by these two clips. I already removed them, but let me show you very quickly. Much easier way of doing this. So once those two clips are removed, this exposes this clutch cable retaining mechanism. If you rotate this, you'll see there's a little pin, red pin or orange, whatever color this comes out to be. If you push it out, this gives some play. So basically squeeze this, push the pin back in, and it stays in place. Now, if you look at the top now to the clutch cable, you'll see there's a lot more play now. Makes things substantially simpler to remove this clutch lever. So let's go ahead and get everything removed. If you look at this, makes things a lot simpler to remove. Here, retaining a plastic clip and a clutch lever is out. Let's grab a new clutch lever, put the cable back in. Now, just also a quick note, a stuck clutch lever and the plastic clip did not have any grease on it, so I'm not going to grease it. Just put everything back in. There's a little recess, make sure you put it in the right place. Grab a new pin in black. Put it inside. Properly. Okay. Pin is in. Now, let's get back down there. Remove, or I should say release that red clip so the clutch springs back to how it was originally. And check your clutch. There should be just a tiny bit of play before it engages, and it is. And so let's put everything back in place. Let's put the mirror back in, but before we do, don't forget the retaining pin. Alright guys, so that was a quick and fairly easy install of a black hand lever kit from Harley. Take your time, check your work, and you should be good to go. If this video was useful for some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a great one.